Hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how to install Python 3.13 on Windows operating system. Now to download the latest Python version, you go to python.org, that's python.org, and you go to the download section, or you just type python.org/downloads and it will take you to the download section. Now we are in the download section. You will see the latest version there, and the latest version here is Python 3.13.0. So just click on that button and it will start downloading automatically. Your download will show in the icon I circled red at the top right hand corner. That is where your downloads show. Either you click the download icon on the previous screen, or you go to your downloads folder on your laptop. That is where all downloads go to. And on my downloads folder, you can see the Python 3.13, which I underlined with red. So you double click on it for it to start installing. Once you've double clicked on it for it to start installing, this screen might pop up depending on the settings of your laptop. Just click on run and it will start installing. Make sure the use admin and add Python are ticked. Then click on customize installation. Then make sure all these boxes are ticked. Then you press next. Now on this screen you can see the install Python 3.13 is not ticked. So ensure you tick it. After ticking all the necessary boxes, you click on install. So we can see the installation is in progress. Now the installation process is completed, so you click on the close button. So once your installation is done, now we need to check whether the Python has been successfully installed on your operating system. So you open your command prompt by going to the search bar on the taskbar below, and you type cmd. It is circled at the bottom of the screen. You type cmd and you press enter, or you press open and your command prompt pops open. Now we are on our command prompt window, so we want to check if it is successfully installed. To do that, you type py in front of the star, like C column users stars, you type py. Once you type your py, you press enter. So we can see it has been successfully installed. That is why it displayed the version of the Python, that is Python 3.13.0. So our Python has been successfully installed. So what we are going to do next is to try to run a Python code. So to run the Python code, to test the Python code, you have to open the IDLE, the Python IDLE, and all you have to do is go to the search bar on your taskbar below there on the screen and type IDLE and press enter, or you click on open. So we're going to be writing our first code. Our first code is going to be addition of two numbers, which will print the result using a print statement. So we'll start with t equal to 3 plus 6, and then we'll print. So we type our print statement, print t, enter. So press the enter. You can see our result is 9. 9 is our result, which is what we already know. 3 plus 6 is 9.